Hello guys, it's Nick और मेरे चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है in another video। आज बहुत एक्साइटिंग दिन है क्योंकि बाहर जा रही हूँ बहुत टाइम के बाद। क्योंकि क्या हुआ नहीं पता, बेसिकली शादी हो गए है और फिर एक बिल्ला मिला और फिर बिल्ला बीमार था और फिर न्यूटर हो गया है। तो हाँ, मुझे लगता है कि I didn't really want to leave the cat alone since we got him क्योंकि he is still not very old। लेकिन अब शायद वो 6 महीने लगभग है, तो he's definitely very settled in now, he's eating। तो आज I'm having a lovely day out for myself। मैं कल्याणी नगर एक्सप्लोर करूँगी, नया piercings मिलूँगी और फिर KP कोरेगांव पार्क जाऊँगी और कॉफ़ी पीऊँगी और भी थोड़ा शॉपिंग करूँगी। वेस्ट साइड जाना चाहती हूँ और फिर हाँ बस, तो चलो। शायद मैं पागल हूँ क्योंकि इतनी गर्मी है आजकल। पीक समर नहीं, एक्चुअली मानसून आ रहा है, लेकिन हाँ इट इज़ समर टाइम ऑब्वियसली नाउ एट द मोमेंट, तो इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी वेरी हॉट। लेकिन वी लव सम विटामिन डी, यू नो, सो लेट्स गो हैव अ फन डे आउट।
I'm going now, Mogi.
ऑटो आ रहा है और हाँ, तो आई एम गेटिंग अ conch piercing in here। हाँ, piercing around here, which is a conch piercing, और फिर 2 low ones, so one above here and one also guys, look how this is made of like brass or some cheap material, and look how black it's gone। I wish I could afford gold। इतनी गर्मी है। तो मैं कोरेगांव पार्क पहुंच गई और मैं कॉफ़ी ग्रे सोल कॉफ़ी पर हूँ। आई एम एट ग्रे सोल कॉफ़ी रोस्टर्स। तो जब मैं कोरेगांव पार्क जाती हूँ तो हर बार ग्रे सोल कॉफ़ी रोस्टर्स जाती हूँ क्योंकि हैज़ द बेस्ट कॉफ़ी, सबसे अच्छी कॉफ़ी है। मेरा फेवरेट कॉफ़ी है क्योंकि इंडिया में थोड़ा मुश्किल है टू गेट लाइक रियली गुड कॉफ़ी, लेकिन ग्रे सोल बहुत अच्छा कॉफ़ी है और मुझे लगता है सिर्फ मुंबई और पुणे में है। इट्स ओनली हियर इन मुंबई एंड पुणे। एक्चुअली अंदर में थोड़ा बिजी है, तो आई ऑलमोस्ट फिनिश माई कॉफ़ी। आई डिसाइडेड टू सिट आउटसाइड। हाँ गर्मी है, लेकिन एटलीस्ट आई कैन व्लॉग ईजिली हियर एंड आई लव द कप्स, लाइक इट जस्ट सेज ग्रे सोल, वेरी क्यूट। क्योंकि मेरा अपना कॉफ़ी स्टेशन के लिए तो एक कॉफ़ी स्टेशन बना रही हूँ, and I am collecting things for it. So someday I will buy this cup. You can buy them online at Grey Soul. You can buy these cups. 3 sizes में है और हाँ this is the largest size. So Grey Soul एक specialty coffee roasters ना, तो this is called the slow bar, or it is V60 pour over, and this is with northeastern beans from northeast। आदमी ने कहा कि पिंक लेमनेड बीन्स का नाम है, पिंक लेमनेड। तो हाँ बहुत टेस्टी हैं और बहुत सारे फ्लेवर्स होते हैं। तो और द मेन नोट्स इन दिस इज़ वनीला, जैस्मिन और सिट्रस। हाँ तो super tasty, and you also get like a good amount of coffee as well। And in a few minutes I'm going to go to the piercing shop here in Koregaon Park। तो शॉप का नाम Tattoos 1960। हाँ एक बार गया है, so I went there one time just to like change jewelry। I never actually got a piercing there, so I'm not sure, but it's meant to be really good। Like so this is like one of the first ones that pops up। और भी Sabi's tattoo studio also Koregaon Park में है, लेकिन I don't know why I don't like। I went there one time। I feel like they have very less jewelry options available, so for that reason I'm gonna try this place। Also lately I've been to Koregaon Park so many times क्योंकि जब मैं अपने दोस्तों से मिलते, मतलब when I meet friends, तो हर बार आमतौर पर कोरेगांव पार्क पे जाते हैं तो I really like it here. Obviously it's such nice vibes and और शायद पुणे में you know सबसे अच्छे cafes, bars या restaurants कोरेगांव पार्क में है तो हाँ लेकिन हाँ I just feel like I've been here a lot lately but it's nice to come by myself as well. मुझे पता है आप सोच रहे हैं कि नहीं मानसून में कोरेगांव पार्क सबसे अच्छे हैं लेकिन I love the vibes in the summer here. Even though it's hot, it's so pretty, like just all the sunlight through the trees and everything. It's so nice. How pretty. Or Tatu's 1960 literally at the end of it. So perfecto.
ये भी करना होगा वो डिफरेंट है ना मैम ये आपको बाद में बहुत
Okay, तो हो गया my piercings are done. I will explain when I reach the park. तो अब मैं कल्याणी नगर मुझे लगता है जॉगर्स पार्क का नाम है कल्याणी नगर एक पार्क है तो चलो let's go there or sorry it's very loud so I'll see you soon. So I was going to walk to this park शायद 30 minutes away now but I decided let's take an off instead. पेमेंट हो गया रिसीव किया ना हो गया तो I reached कल्याणी नगर पार्क जॉगर्स पार्क क्या लगता है it's so cute no? Okay, I'm looking like a boy, but I have reached Joggers Park, Kalyani Nagar Park, I think. लेकिन I was walking और आदमी ने कहा बंद है तो मुझे लगता है ये पार्क बंद है लेकिन there's a couple of people just in this area, like a smaller area and no, it seems okay so I'm just gonna stay here for a bit but I'm under a nice shaded tree and it's a really pretty park. This area is so nice. Actually, I have never been to Kalyani Nagar. So Kalyani Nagar Koregaon Park ke paas hai. So it's like just beside Koregaon Park really. But it's more I suppose like residential a bit. But it's really really nice. और मेरी दोस्त Kalyani Nagar में रहती है तो I've only been to Kalyani Nagar at her house only but super nice area and let me tell you about my piercings. So I just got this one done which is called conch piercing. That was sore but worth it. I love obviously ye hoop acha nahi ye lagta hai. This doesn't look great like this hoop itself but once it's healed now I can change it to like a bigger hoop. Sorry a bigger like a cuff. These little piercings here I just got lekin kya hua मैं बता सकती हूँ. I originally wanted them above this second hole so I had to take out the second hole piercings for him to do this piercing but I was wanting it originally like here like above this second hole but he said like basically because of my anatomy like that's not possible because like at the back this is like all cartilage so it was only possible either here or to go through this cartilage which is called like an anti-tragus piercing and I decided that like I don't really like the look of that as much because you can see the bar coming out so I definitely wanted it on the lobe only so we decided on this placement which wasn't what I planned but I do like it and yeah once I can change it to a different like smaller stud not smaller stud like gold stud it will look better तो मेरा experience कैसा था piercing shop में बहुत अच्छा था तो आदमी ने मेरी piercing की बहुत nice tha or nahi pata actually what recorded or not but we were talking and he was very very nice and bahut professional shop hai hygienic aur sab kuch theek tha to main khush hu aur haan I would definitely recommend agar aap Pune mein to it's a good place to get piercings or tattoos. This would be such a nice park to like come and just like read a book in. I would love to. I should have brought a book. Actually, एक किताब ख़त्म हो गया है. I just finished a book called Moriyaski, A Day at the Moriyaski Bookshop. तो वो एक जापानीज़ किताब है और translated English में. और हाँ, actually मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आया. I didn't really love it that much. It was very like kind of storyline थोड़ा boring है मेरे लिए. और in general I don't really read fiction, तो शायद उसलिए मैं मज़ा नहीं आया. लेकिन कोई बात नहीं. तो मैंने एक बुक खरीदा, Forest of the Enchanted. हाँ, तो ये किताब रामायण लेकिन सीता से perspective से है. So it's a book like based Ramayana but from Sita's perspective. So I was going to read this, लेकिन फिर मैंने realize किया actually Ramayana नहीं पढ़ता. I haven't read Ramayana. हाँ, मुझे पता है summary of क्या हुआ Ramayana epic में, लेकिन I haven't read actually the whole thing. तो मैं सोच रही थी कि अच्छा होगा अगर मैं पहले actually रामायण पढ़ूंगी. तो I'm going to read that. So I've ordered रामायण and then I will read that book from Sita's perspective. तो बहुत interesting होगा. और this will be such a nice place to come. I wish I brought a book here. It would be so nice. Anyway, कोई बात नहीं क्योंकि I have you. So nice ना? Palm trees, grass. काफ़ी बड़ी लगती हैं. Like I think it goes all the way down there. लेकिन that's where I was trying to go. Or he was like, it's closed. तो नहीं पता. Cute hathi. Oh, I love this banana plant. So cute. So huge, huh? They're pretty. Like, look at these streets. Pune is too beautiful. I love it. Okay, I didn't stay too long at the park because it's already 3 baje hain. So I want to go to this ceramic market. It's like Banjara market, lekin Pune mein. Or nahi pata. I go to these places all the time. It's like a moving ceramic market that just it gets moved to all different places around the city, I think. Or there's just lots of them around the city in general. So I like going to them because मुझे home decor बहुत पसंद है. और ये ceramic items बहुत अच्छे हैं. I just love them so much. So चलो, let's check out this market. और फिर Tribeca Mall जाऊँगी. और बस मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये market open है क्योंकि मैंने बस reels देखी. तो नहीं पता actually all the reels are dated from like April. तो नहीं पता actually if this ceramic market is even still here. So देखते हैं. I'm almost there. बस 10 minute park से है. I see it, it's open. लेकिन how to get there? So this is it, Handiloom Expo 2026. लेकिन सब कुछ ओपन नहीं है. तो मुझे लगता है इवनिंग या रात को सबसे अच्छे हैं शायद. Too many amazing things. I can't. Wow. Look. I'm in my heaven. कितना था? 250.
सारे कलर मिल जाएंगे. इसमें गिलास वाला भी आता है.
हाँ. लेकिन इतनी गर्मी है तो they gave us an umbrella. I really like this checkered one, so I think I'm gonna get it.
इसमें और भी कलर मिल जाएंगे कलर.
ये वाला 200 के लिए. 200.
ये इतने कम थोड़ी होगा.
300.
लास्ट 4
350.
50 की तो रख लो. कितना भी चाहिए. एक ही देना है 2.
एक. I could stay there for many hours, but it's very hot. and I don't want to spend all my money. So I just got this one jar, and क्योंकि मैं एक coffee station बना रही हूँ ना, तो I need things that like will match it and go well with it. So and I'm already imagining this like checkered theme, like pink and white checkered. So that's why I got this one. But there are so many nice things there. I would love to buy so many of them, but they just don't match my idea of my coffee station. And this area, by the way, is Mullik Ground in Pune, opposite of Trump Towers, Kalyani Nagar. This is so cute. It's got like little camels in it. अंदर में बस I sweated so much today that I need 10 showers. What's wrong? Come here. Sorry, the last few clips when I was in Westside, I was just like very random. Honestly, thak ho gayi. हाँ मैं थक हो गई हूँ तो हाँ I actually didn't end up buying anything in Westside. The only one I really liked was the top, which they didn't have in a bigger size. It was a bit small for me. And फिर the camel dress बहुत पसंद आया, लेकिन I got makeup on the neckline of the dress, and when I went to go check for like the same size but in a clean one, they didn't have it. It was the last one left and I ruined it with my makeup, so I didn't buy it. Anyway, so this is my pretty jar. So I paid 400 rupees इसके लिए. शायद बहुत ज़्यादा है एक jar के लिए, लेकिन हाँ तो मैं negotiate कर रही थी और मैंने कहा था 300 और आदमी ने कहा नहीं नहीं actually 450 was the price ना. He said like last price 400 और मैंने कहा था 300 और मैंने कहा था 350, लेकिन नहीं तो हाँ I just took it for 400 ना. तो शायद overpaid a little bit ना for this, but कोई बात नहीं. You know, I don't like negotiating too much for things. Like people are just trying to make a living now, so I feel like ठीक है. So I really like it. Let's see how it will go with my coffee station. We can just for now place it here. I hope the cat doesn't like break it or something. Cute, na? Okay, so bus, I'm going to end this vlog here. Shower chahiye, khana chahiye, pani chahiye. मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा दिन था. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. It was really nice to just go out. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Okay, तो बस thank you guys so much for watching. देखने के लिए धन्यवाद. And I will see you in my next one. अगले वीडियो में मिलेंगे. Okay? Bye.